So we were curious when we saw an ad during the Super Bowl for an 8-minute mortgage. Anthony Mason went looking for answers.
Quicken Loan's Super Bowl ad made a simple proposition.
What if we did for mortgages what the internet did for buying music and plane tickets and shoes?
That's what they're offering with Rocket Mortgages.
You could get a mortgage on your phone.
But just 7 years after the housing crisis nearly took down the economy, the ad rang alarm bells. Let's do the financial crisis again, but with apps, Dave Weigel of the Washington Post tweeted.
You know, I know that a lot of people interpreted the commercial as saying that we're going back to the days of easy money, but that's just simply not happening.
Holden Lewis of Bankrate.com says the median credit score of a mortgage applicant is now 753 out of 850, the highest since 2001. Rocket Mortgage is just trying to streamline the application process.
Is this Quicken app a game changer, do you think?
I think it's a game changer in the sense that other mortgage companies are going to have to make it easier to put in your documentation and your paperwork.
On the Rocket app, you enter income and bank details, which allows Quicken to communicate directly with banks. It estimates an affordable home price and costs and allows customers to lock in a rate, says Quicken President Jay Farner.
If you go on to Rocket Mortgage, you can see the interest rates, you can see the fees, you can see how changing the interest rate would change your fees.
So this is not about changing credit standards?
No, Quicken Loans is known for having some of the highest credit standards in the country.
Rocket, he says, is trying to take the mystery out of the mortgage process.
And that Super Bowl ad certainly got attention. Farner says 14,000 people visited their website in the first minute it aired. Scott?
Think bad credit has a hold on your life? Think again. Master your credit and start living your dreams today. Remove negative items from your credit report in 5 simple steps. No matter how much money you have in the bank, if you have bad credit, you're going nowhere fast. It's such a humiliating thing to be refused for something on the grounds of bad credit, or penalized every time you even think so much as about purchasing something. Or even worse, denied the ability to get a new credit card or loan. The system sadly doesn't care about any of us, and the sooner we accept that, the sooner we can take action and actually start to control our own lives.
And here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's a letter and go to the post office. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay people thousands of dollars to clean your credit. What would this do for your world right now? How much is having bad credit holding you back? If you're a business person, it is really holding you back. You can't get financing, you can't get a credit card, you can't get loans to expand your business, credit lines, you can't do anything. You can't buy real estate. And just as a regular person, you can't get a credit card, you can't buy a car, you have to go to a buy here, pay here lot with bad credit. You can't get a mortgage, you can't rent an apartment with bad credit, you can't even rent a car with bad credit. There's so many things you can't do when you have bad credit. Exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw, and I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus in as little as 20 to 30 days. You can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.